Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is to tell you about 10 amazing facts about Canada to so that you know much more about this great country. So let's begin. Canada is the second largest country in the world, only after Russia, but it has just 0.5% of the world's entire population. Most of the population lives in a narrow belt of 100 kilometers on the US-Canada border, leaving vast stretches of land with little or very less people. Many of you might not know that Queen Elizabeth II of the United Kingdom is still the head of the country of Canada. The Canadian independence has been a gradual process. So when Canada became independent in 1867, only four provinces, Ontario, Quebec, Nova Scotia, and New Brunswick, became part of the country. The remaining provinces joined the country later on. Even the residents of the country until 1947 were called as British nationals and not Canadian nationals. Only after 1947, the residents of the country got Canadian citizenship. You can find Queen Elizabeth at many places like in bank currency notes, coins, street signs, and across government and federal government offices across Canada. Canada is a large country, and hence the country has 6 time zones covering 4.5 hours between the east to the west coast. From the second Sunday in March to the first Sunday in November, most of Canada switches to daylight saving time. However, the province of Saskatchewan keeps following the Central Standard Time all the year round. How the daylight saving time works is by remembering a popular acronym: spring forward and fall backward. This means that whenever the spring comes, you adjust your clock forward by 1 hour, and when the fall season comes, you adjust your clock backward by 1 hour. As many of you might know, that a lot of countries across the world are facing problems related to fresh water because of increasing population each day. Fortunately, the country of Canada doesn't has to face any freshwater scarcity because it holds 20% of the world's total freshwater resources. Canada shares four of the five Great Lakes with the US as well. The four lakes are Lake Ontario, Lake Michigan, Lake Superior, and Lake Huron. Another example is that the province of Saskatchewan, located in central part of Canada, has over 100,000 freshwater lakes across the province. Canada is one of the coldest countries in the world to live in. In fact, 1/4 of Canada lies in the tundra region, where the weather is extremely harsh and cold. Plants in this region grow more slowly than any other place on the planet. For example, the reindeer moss, which is one of the main food of some of the animals in the tundra region, grows at just 3 millimeters per year. Canada is a country of immense natural wonders. For example, Churchill Town, located in northern Manitoba, is called the polar bear capital of the world, where thousands of tourists come to Churchill to see the polar bears each year. The town of Churchill can be reached only through rail or by flight. There is no motorable road which reaches Churchill directly. The number of polar bears in this town are in fact more than the residents in this city. Canada is a country of immense natural beauty, and to protect it, there are over 45 national parks spread across Canada, which cover around 3% of the country's area. The Banff National Park is the oldest national park of Canada, and it was founded in 1885. The park is around 5 times the size of the Yellowstone National Park located in United States. Millions of tourists visit Banff each year to see its beautiful mountains, near transparent lakes, and variety of wildlife. The word Chinook may be new for you, but for Canadians it's a very popular word. So Chinook is a snow-eating warm wind that blows from the Rockies into the eastern part of Canada into Alberta. So by the time Chinook reaches the ground, it is warm enough to melt the cold snow. In fact, temperatures from freezing can reach up to mild temperatures within hours when the Chinook starts blowing. There have been a number of surveys around the world which have ranked Canada as one of the best countries to live in. For example, each year United Nations releases out a list of the best countries in the world to live in based on different factors such as income, quality of housing, crime rates, and access to leisure facilities. Canada is the country which has topped this list most number of times than any other country. And the Canadians are pretty confident that they can keep up to this record. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for further upcoming videos on Canada. If you like this video or my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.